Hello everyone, this is Manisha Panda from Sambalpur, Odisha. I welcome you all again in my YouTube channel, that is Manisha's Magical Biology, and today we are going to discuss the part 3, digestion in stomach, part 3 of class 10th CBSE Biology. Yes, I would be rediscussing the few lines of the beginning of the digestion in stomach of the previous video, that is digestion in stomach part 2. Then I would come to the main part, that what are the functions of the hydrochloric acid, what is the function of the mucus and all. I would be discussing all these things also. Okay, so in the previous video I had given a very few description about the enzyme pepsin. What is the function of the enzyme pepsin? Pepsin enzyme का function क्या होता है? I had discussed a little bit about that. Yes. So what are the cells of the stomach wall? What are the cells of the principal or funding glands of the stomach wall? Stomach wall का principal or funding glands का cells क्या क्या होता है? We had already discussed in detail. Let me repeat that once again. I am repeating it. Yes, I need to repeat that. That's why I am repeating. First one like क्या था? That goblet cells or mucus neck cells. Goblet cells or mucus neck cells which secrete mucus. Goblet cells or mucus neck cells which secrete mucus. Second, peptic or chief cells. Peptic or chief cells which secrete two proenzymes or inactive enzymes. Two proenzymes or inactive enzymes. What are the names of the proenzymes or inactive enzyme? का नाम क्या क्या है? First is pepsinogen and second is prorenin. Pepsinogen and prorenin, these are the names of two proenzymes or inactive enzymes. Okay, so what is the first one? What are the cells of the, I'm rediscussing the cells बताने के बाद I would get to the functions of the pepsin and hydrochloric acid, and lastly I would discuss the function of the mucus. Okay, so what is the first cell? Goblet or mucus neck cells which secrete mucus. Second, peptic or chief cells which secrete two proenzymes or inactive enzymes. What are the two proenzymes or inactive enzymes? Pepsinogen and prorenin. Pepsinogen and prorenin, these are the two proenzymes or inactive enzymes. Third, what is the third one? Third is the oxyntic or parietal cells. Okay, what do they secrete? Oxyntic or parietal cells. Oxyntic or parietal cells secrete HCl. Two things. They secrete two things. First is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and second is intrinsic factor IF. Intrinsic factor responsible for the absorption of vitamin B12. Yes, first is HCl, hydrochloric acid, second is intrinsic factor responsible for the absorption of vitamin B12. Okay, let me start the function of the pepsin, which I had started earlier in the previous video. Yes, I had started earlier about that. Okay, so what is that pepsin? Let me start. So composition we discussed, that is already, these are the composition, यही composition होता है. So what is the composition of the gastric juice? Gastric juice का composition क्या होता है? तीन चीज होता है. According to your course, I would be telling that, तुम्हारे course के हिसाब से बता रही हूँ. First is of course that is HCl, hydrochloric acid first is. Second we had discussed, हमने discuss किया था, आपने भी सुना था. Second was enzymes. First was hydrochloric acid, second was enzymes. So what are the enzymes क्या क्या है? 4 enzyme है, total 4 enzyme होता है. Already I have told about the two inactive enzymes or proenzymes. वो क्या क्या है? pepsinogen and prorenin. Two active enzymes. Inactive enzymes I have already told. What are the two active enzymes? Active enzyme क्या क्या है? Gastric lipase and gastric amylase. These are the two active enzymes. Two inactive enzymes, pepsinogen and prorenin. Two active enzymes are gastric lipase and gastric amylase. So these are the 4 enzymes present in the gastric juice. Third, third was mucus. So we had started discussing about the pepsin. We had discussed the beginning, the function of the pepsin I had told. Yes. Let us rediscuss. Let us start the main discussion here. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. Mind this very clearly, आराम से सुनिए, हो जाएगा. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. In the gastric juice, in the presence of acidic gastric juice, in the presence of acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin, remember the two inactive enzymes would be converted to their active forms. जब तक पेप्सिनोजेन से पेप्सिन और प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन नहीं होगा, पेप्सिनोजेन से पेप्सिन, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन जब तक फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, तब तक कुछ भी एंजाइमेटिक एक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा स्टोमक में. So first of all, there should be conversion of the pepsinogen to pepsin and prorenin to renin. So how these are converted to these forms? Pepsinogen से pepsin और prorenin से renin किस तरह से बनता है? In the presence of, these are converted to their active forms. These inactive enzymes are converted to their active forms in the presence of HCl, hydrochloric acid. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के प्रेजेंस में पेप्सिनोजेन से पेप्सिन बनता है, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन बनता है. ओके, आई थिंक यू गॉट इट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई एम बिगिनिंग once again. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. In the presence of acidic gastric juice, acidic medium, in the presence of acidic medium, what happens? The enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in the food. In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in the food. To form smaller molecules. Called peptones and proteases. In the presence of acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin, which has been formed from pepsinogen, जिसका formation pepsinogen से होता है, pepsin. The enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins. The enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in food. The digestion of proteins present in food to form smaller molecules. What are these smaller molecules? Peptones and proteases. So smaller molecules का नाम क्या है? Peptones and proteases. And so this finishes about the function of the enzyme pepsin. I think you must have followed. I am repeating once again. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in the food. The enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in the food to form smaller molecules. Called peptones and proteases. Okay, so this finishes the function of the enzyme pepsin. So now, what is the function of the enzyme renin? Renin क्या digest करता है? Remember, out of the 4 enzymes, 4 एंजाइम जो है, 4 एंजाइम में से 2 इनएक्टिव था, 2 एक्टिव था, और 2 इनएक्टिव और प्रो एंजाइम जो होता है, दैट आर पेप्सिनोजेन एंड प्रोरेनिन. दीज आर दी proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes or protein digesting enzymes. These are proteolytic enzymes or protein digesting enzyme होता है ये वाला, पेप्सिनोजेन एंड प्रोरेनिन. प्रोरेनिन, पेप्सिनोजेन से पेप्सिन बनता है, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन बनता है. ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट दैट gastric amylase and gastric lipase? Gastric amylase, it is carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Gastric lipase is fat digesting enzyme. Gastric amylase carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Gastric lipase fat lipids or fat digesting enzyme. Okay, so this was all about the functions of the enzymes. Let me tell the function. Let me add to the function of the renin. प्रो रेनिन से रेनिन बनेगा. रेनिन का फंक्शन पर्टिकुलरली क्या होता है? एज आई टोल्ड नाउ, जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि पेप्सिनोजेन प्रोरेनिन से पेप्सिन रेनिन बनेगा, और पेप्सिन रेनिन दोनों ही प्रोटियोलाइटिक और प्रोटीन डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम होता है. प्रोटीन डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम होता है तो क्या डाइजेस्ट करते हैं? नॉर्मली ऑल दी प्रोटीन्स प्रेजेंट इन द फूड लाइक दैट मीन चिकन, मटन, द एग, फिश, the veg items like soybean, legumes, the peas and all these are digested by pepsin. And particularly the milk protein, that is casein. मिल्क प्रोटीन का पर्टिकुलर एक नाम होता है, उसको केसिन बोलते हैं. केसिन, particularly the milk protein casein is digested by the enzyme renin. Remember, the enzyme renin is responsible for the digestion of the milk protein. What is the name of the milk protein? Casein. Digestion of the milk protein casein to form calcium paracaseinate. Yes, the milk protein casein is digested to form what it forms. It will lead to the formation of the calcium paracaseinate. Renin is responsible for the conversion of the milk protein casein to form calcium paracaseinate. And remember one more very important thing. Renin is mostly, and you can say, yes, it's true, it is present only in the infants. Renin is present only in the infants. Infants में ही renin होता है, renin adults में नहीं होता है. The function of the renin, that is the digestion of the milk protein. Renin, it is taken over by the enzyme pepsin only in adults. रेनिन का काम एडल्ट्स में पेप्सिन ही करता है, पेप्सिन ही काम करता है रेनिन का. खाली इन्फेंट्स में ही रेनिन काम करता है. रेनिन का फंक्शन जो डाइजेशन ऑफ मिल्क प्रोटीन जो करता है वो खाली इन्फेंट्स में ही होता है. द फंक्शन ऑफ द रेनिन, that is the digestion of the milk protein, is taken over by the enzyme pepsin in case of adults. Adults की केस में enzyme pepsin ही milk protein digest करता है, खाली infant में renin काम करता है. Okay, so this finishes the function of the enzyme. Yes, we finished the function of the enzymes part of the gastric juice. What is function of the enzyme pepsin? The enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of protein present in the food. To form smaller molecules, that is peptones and proteases. Begins the digestion of proteins present in the food to form smaller molecules called peptones and proteases. Okay, so this finishes the function of the enzyme pepsin. As I told now repeatedly, what is function of the enzyme renin? Renin in case of infants is responsible for the digestion of the milk protein casein. Renin in case of infants, newborn. Infant is responsible for the digestion of the milk protein casein to form calcium paracaseinate. And remember one more very important thing, I repeated again and again, that pepsin, the formation of the pepsin from pepsinogen and the formation of the renin from prorenin, these all take place in the presence of the hydrochloric acid. These all take place in the presence of the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid के presence में ही ये formation होगा. So this finishes the functions of enzymes. Gastric lipase are discussed, gastric amylase are discussed. Amylase carbohydrate digesting enzyme, gastric lipase fat or lipid digesting enzyme. Coming to the function of hydrochloric acid. What is the function of the hydrochloric acid? Yes. So what is the main function of the hydrochloric acid? The function of the hydrochloric acid is in the stomach is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic. The function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic. the function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic, so that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly. So that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly in the food. Okay. So what is function of HCl? HCl का function क्या है? The main function of HCl is in the stomach is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic. So that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly. The function of gastric acid, hydrochloric acid, is to make in the stomach. The function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic. So that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly. Another very important function, the hydrochloric acid also kills the bacteria. The hydrochloric acid also kills the bacteria which may enter the stomach with food. Second function, it may kill the bacteria. It kills the bacteria which may enter the stomach with food. And one more important function, as you know, hydrochloric acid is responsible for the conversion of pepsinogen to pepsin, prorenin to renin. Yes, hydrochloric acid is responsible for the conversion of pepsinogen to pepsin, prorenin to renin. Okay, so these are the functions of HCl. In another video I would be making the function of the mucus, because it's getting lengthier now, थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा. In another video I would be discussing about the function of the mucus. It is very easy, बहुत easy है, we can do that. Okay, so I think you followed. So what are the functions of the HCl? The function of hydrochloric acid is to in the stomach. The function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic. So that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly. The function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Is to make the medium of gastric juice acidic. So that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly. That is the first function. वो पहला function है. Second function, it kills the bacteria. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria which may enter the stomach with food. Third, in the presence of hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen is converted to pepsin, prorenin is converted to renin. So hydrochloric acid, in short, you can also say hydrochloric acid is also responsible for the conversion of pepsinogen to pepsin and prorenin to renin. So this is the function of enzymes and functions of hydrochloric acid. In another video I would be discussing about the function of mucus. So this finishes the content of this video. So please stay tuned, students. थोड़ा time लगेगा because we are going very detailedly, so it would take time. So please have a patience little bit. आप इतना घबराइए मत कि इतना लेट क्यों हो रहा है, इतना डिले क्यों हो रहा है, बट होना ज़रूरी है, होना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. सही से होना, अच्छे से होना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, ना कि लगातार आप रैंडमली करते जाएं. So be serious, be consistent, students, and please have patience and keep doing. Good luck. Good night. Hello everyone, this is Manisha's Magical Biology. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, please press the bell icon, share it with everyone, and please share your views by commenting in the comment section. Thank you so much.